Why wait 6 to 8 months to build when you can move into your new beautiful home and enjoy Kissing Tree, an over 55 retirement resort now? Only 2 years old, this home looks and feels like it's brand new. Your beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath modern farmhouse style is approximately 1,513 square feet. This amazing home sits on a perfect lot. The backyard is almost maintenance-free and a true refuge. Sit on your back porch and feel as though you're truly at peace. With over $50,000 in upgrades, this home will surely impress you. Plantation shutters, pull-out sliding drawers in the kitchen cabinets, tiled patio, leathered granite, open concept living area, custom closet with large oversized kitchen island and 5-burner gas cooktop. Some of the amenities include 18-hole golf course, pickleball, horseshoes, bocce ball, biergarten, hiking and biking trails, indoor and outdoor pool, fitness center, and more. Come see what all the excitement is about by calling Becky Beck Marshall.